Hello everyone, Happy New Year. If you ever wanted to invest in US stocks and Nigerian assets without stress, this is Bamboo. Let me walk you through the Bamboo app interface and show you how to get started step by step. However, from my screen, you can see your start building wealth and you can see your sign in. So if you know you don't have a Bamboo app or you don't have a Bamboo account, you can start building wealth by clicking on that and you register. However, if you already have an account, you sign in. And let's not forget to use my code whenever you registering for the first time. Thank you. So if you sign in, you can be able to log in from here. You put in your details and you log in immediately. That is if you already have an account. Then moving forward, it is going to take us into the main dashboard of your app. Okay, and as you can see, we have what's name on Bamboo, every little details, extended hours trading, earn more with referrals, fixed return rollovers, share your performance alongside your improved home page. So let's dive in. So here we can see my dashboard, and right on the top, this is the home screen, and at the top you can see your total portfolio value. This shows you how much your investments are currently worth. As you can see, the interface is quite easy to navigate. Everything is in English or whatsoever language you want to put it in, and you are able to get directions as fast as possible. So below that, Bamboo gives you quick access to market highlight, trending stocks and investment updates, so you are always informed. You can see on our dashboard we have the home, invest, learn and help. So all of these are what you can be able to use to navigate the app on its own. However, moving forward, you have the US stocks and you have the Naira stocks. You also have the fixed return and we have the treasury bills. So whatsoever you want to invest in, your portfolio shows it, and this is where you are able to track all your investments in one place, how much you've invested over time, your gains and your losses. So you don't need to be a financial expert. Bamboo presents everything clearly, so you are always aware about where your money is. Then what you want to do next is to tap on the invest. Then on the invest, you can see we have the whole, we have the US stocks, we have the Naira stocks, and this is the heart of the app, the invest section, and here you can buy US stocks, ETFs and other available assets. You can search for popular companies like Apple, Tesla, or ETFs that tracks the entire market. So each asset comes with details to help you make informed decisions before you invest. So moving forward, the one last thing we are going to look at for is your wallet. You want to be able to fund your wallet, and so before investing you need to fund your account, and we have the wallet section which allows you to deposit money securely, view your balance and withdraw when needed. So as you can see, it's quite plain. Your direct wallet top up, you request account details, so you have your account details. You can request your bank statement, you can deposit, you can transfer, anything you want to do. And you also have the US wallet, so in case you want to fund your US wallet, you see it's easy. We have the domiciliary transfer, we have the brokerage account funding, and you could also request your account statement. Alright, so moving forward, in settings you can update your personal details, manage security options and control notifications. So as you can see, this is everything about your setting area. So you get to invite a friend if you want to do referral, write a review, KYC status. So you need to update your KYC status so as to be able to secure your funds. Alright, so if you're new to investing, Start simple, don't rush it. Learn as you go, invest consistently and not emotionally. And Bamboo is designed to help you grow your wealth steadily, not gamble with your money. And that's one of the best things I love about Bamboo is the fact that you can also be able to learn as you fund your wallet or as you invest. So that's why we have the learn section, which helps you navigate everything investment, everything stocks, or everything shares. So that's the Bamboo app. Simple, clean, and built for a long-term investor. So your money deserves structure, not guesswork. So you can download the Bamboo app today and explore the app and start investing with clarity. And let's not forget, do not forget to use my code. Thank you so much and have an amazing